In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents to a Google Calendar event. If you want to keep important files connected to a meeting, appointment, or project deadline, Google Calendar makes that really easy. Adding attachments directly to an event helps everyone involved find the right document in one place, instead of searching through emails or folders later. This is especially useful for agendas, presentation files, reports, or any reference material people may need before the event begins. To get started, open Google Calendar. From there, you can either create a brand new event or open an event that already exists. If you're making a new event, click to create it, then choose more options so you can open the full event details page. If you're editing an existing event, click the event first and then select the pencil icon to open it for editing. The reason for opening the full editor is that it gives you access to all the event settings, including the attachment option. Once you're inside the event details, scroll down until you see the description box. Near that area, look for the paperclip icon labeled Add Attachment. Click that icon to begin adding your file. This is the tool Google Calendar uses to connect documents directly to the event. After that, a file picker will open. If the document you need is already stored in Google Drive, simply browse to it and select it. If the file is saved on your computer instead, choose the upload option and pick the file from your device. This flexibility is helpful because it lets you attach both cloud-based documents and local files without changing your workflow first. When you've chosen the file, click Select if you're using a file from Google Drive, or Upload if you're adding one from your computer. Google Calendar will attach the file to the event so it appears as part of the event details. At this point, make sure the correct file is listed before finishing. This quick check can save confusion later, especially if you work with multiple versions of the same document. Finally, click Save. Your document is now attached to the Google Calendar event. Anyone with the right permissions to the event and the file will be able to access it from the calendar entry, which makes collaboration much smoother. As a helpful tip, if you're attaching files from Google Drive, double-check sharing permissions so attendees can actually open the document when they need it. And that's all it takes to attach documents to a Google Calendar event.